do you think Job Corps influenced you in a positive way? Like, did it help you in any type of way? Because a lot of people go into shit like that. Like you say, you already thought about it one certain type of way. So some people go into shit like that and be like, man, fucking, I ain't even trying to win in this situation.
Me, I already had it. It was a good experience, man. It's like college. Like I say, like if you 18, 19, 20 and trying to figure yourself out and you don't got nowhere to go, you in the streets, at that time it was great for me because you're like on the campus. You got a different type of race, females, you were all right there in one pack.
Right.
Plus you get a trade. So you can pick up a trade. So if you really trying to do something with yourself, you pick up a trade.
Now let me ask you, do you think high school would have been more beneficial if you'd have saw it all the way through? Or do you think Job Corps was more beneficial to you?
At that time, nobody ain't want no high school.
Right.
I didn't care about high school. Especially, like I say, anybody that was in the streets, selling drugs, whatever your hustle was, school wasn't it.
Right.
Sitting in no classroom, especially if you're not comprehended. A lot of people out here think they comprehend it, and they don't look at it as why you stop school or why you don't like that teacher. No, bro, you just don't comprehend, bro. You don't understand what's going on. So now your mind's so disturbed and so confused, you lash out in the anger way, or you don't show up.
Right, you can't even sit through
You
a
don't
full
want to
class
sit. Like,
day.
then, no, you can't. You don't. Now you a class clown, or you in there hollering at your homies. Now you in school for what? To kick it with your homies, see your friends.
All right. Now, you graduate from Job Corps, right?
Right.
With how many trades or what trade?
I got a trade in welding.
Okay. Now, did you ever put the welding certificate to work?
Yeah. I worked at 35th and Racine and Midland Metals for at least a year.
Now, that shit sound dangerous, big dog.
Yeah, I got offered to go underground water welding, too.
Oh,
in
now you would have been lit.
But you
Can't swim?
No, one of them, that metal rod punctured that suit. It's over with.
Yeah,
the pressure.
You deep.
So it's, you got, like I say, people come with you with opportunities, but it's your decision to make that right decision and do your research. You can be like, yeah, I'm doing it because of the money. But then when you get there, a lot of people, you take these trades or you take these positions that's something that you really don't want to do.
Right. And
now you in it, now you gonna get to drive. So it's like you wasting your time.
Facts. I definitely went through that part of my life where I put 10 years into some shit that I should have put 10 years into something else. And who knows where I'd be, you know what I'm saying, if I did that. So I totally understand when you say, man, fuck that ain't for me.
And that's why I thought then, like when they say that saying, fake it till you make it, I was faking it, bro. Going to Job Corps just to pick up a trade, I was faking it, bro. I passed, but I was faking it because it was hot, but it was the easiest trade to complete and graduate.
Right.
Because some of them trades, brick masonry, bricklaying, and electrical, they had a longer span to complete.
So you was scheming your way out that bitch.
Yeah, bro. Like my brother wanted me to complete, but don't go there and just someone send you somewhere, then you don't take the opportunity to succeed or accomplish something.
Right.
So my mind was, I had my high school diploma because I still graduated. You can get your GED there and pick up a trade. I said I'm gonna pick up a trade. I'm not finna pick no trade that it's gonna be lame. Like they got computers, you can be on computer on one. So I picked something that I'll be interested in, but it had a quicker completion.
So what did you want to be?
Growing up?
Yeah. Period.
Everybody wanted to be. I wanted to go to the NBA, be
right.
an NFL.
Right.
I wanted to play sports. So I wanted to be in the NFL, the NBA, but at that time, I didn't know what I wanted to do, man.
Right.
Like, I had money, I sold drugs, I gang bang. Still didn't know what I wanted to do.
Right.
I still didn't know what I wanted to do until.
All right, so you get out of Job Corps. Now you got a job at welding. What's next?
After welding, 9/11 hit.
Okay.
I was doing welding at that time now, and 35th Racine, bro, they got union and older guys. So now you intimidated. Like I said, you still going through this process of learning life, being around different type of people, different ages, different race, and different job ethics and people that work in the field of that job.
Right.
They've been there longer than you. So they bullied me up out of there, meaning that the hours, I was working the hours, but I was getting the harder jobs. Now they get all to the rookies or the people that's young because they like, man, you went to Job Corps, you got this in less than a year. I've been doing welding forever.
And they was hating on you.
Yeah, they even not even hating. I understand where they're coming from. When you look at a position someone been in so long, no, they didn't like that. So after welding, I was lost. Boy, I did it. Went back to the streets. Really, went back to the streets.